Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. UE5, 0 or newer, world partition where needed and backups. Open project settings and enable Nanite, then enable virtual shadow maps and Lumen for best results. Import a high poly mesh now, keeping a clean naming convention. Once done, convert import settings to static mesh and check the build settings. This gets you into the activation flow quickly, so you can enable Nanite on actual assets instead of wasting time on trivial checks. You now enable Nanite per asset. Open the static mesh editor and toggle Enable Nanite. This converts the mesh into Nanite clusters. Make sure to disable Generate Mesh Distance fields for heavy Nanite assets to avoid extra cost. Once enabled, adjust Nanite acceleration structures thresholds and review the viewport at different distances to confirm streaming behavior. If you imported multiple assets, batch apply settings via the content browser to save time and ensure consistent conversion across the scene. You finish by placing Nanite assets and running a comprehensive build, lighting, geometry, and shaders. Monitor performance using R, Nanite and R Nanite stats to identify any bottlenecks and tweak streaming distances and cluster thresholds accordingly. If you see visual artifacts or missing geometry, revert the asset temporarily to non-Nanite, inspect normals and UVs, then re-import with corrected settings. One key tip: if things go wrong, disable Nanite on the problematic mesh, fix the source file, then re-enable. This isolates issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.